In this tutorial in CyberLink PowerDirector, I'd like to show you how to use an earlier version of PowerDirector that contains the wave editor to increase the volume or gain in an audio track that you've recorded using voiceover. This comes as a request from one of my subscribers. Again, we're going to use a tool that's been retired in recent versions of PowerDirector. But if you have an earlier version, this will show you how to increase the volume or gain in a track that you've recorded. So what I have, if I play this, I have my video. Voiceover example, we're recording the audio at a level that, and I have an audio track that's not loud enough. How can I change that? Well, we're going to give ourselves a little more real estate so we can click on the audio track. I'll right click on it, and then I'm going to choose Edit Audio, and I'll choose Wave Editor in this earlier version of PowerDirector. That opens up my Wave Editor screen. I see when I look at the waveform that there's not much there, so we're going to click on the Boost option under the volume selection on the left. So I click on Boost. It gives me an effect boost. Let's try around 10 decibels. Now if I want to play it, I just click the ball at the left, the larger one with the arrow, and this will play it at the normal volume. In this voiceover example, we're recording the audio. I'll click on the smaller ball to stop it. Now let's do the same thing and we'll preview a 10 decibel gain. In this voiceover example, we're recording the audio at a level that is lower than what we need for the, so 10 is pretty good. Let's go all the way up to 12 and we'll do the preview again. In this voiceover example, we're recording the audio. Now that's not too bad. Now there are other ways you can increase the volume or gain. We're just going to use this example since that was what was requested. All I need to do when I'm done is click on OK. And then if I close the wave editor by clicking on the X in the upper right corner, it asks me if I want to save my changes. It will do that. That gets me back to my PowerDirector screen. And now what I think I will see when I play this in normal is this voiceover example. We're recording the audio at a much better. Now we can also obviously use the audio adjustment on the timeline to increase the gain in the audio if we want to tweak it more. But that's how you can do it very easily inside the wave editor in earlier versions of CyberLink PowerDirector.